All right, what's good? What's good? What's good? So we are recording, right? What I'm about to go into is how to make a flyer for yourself. Right now I have my partner Jordan Masters out in Bermuda. Platinum 600, P1000 loading. She has more experience in doing this than I do, so she's here just in case I mess up. But everything I show you guys is simply how you're able to do this for your team and even for yourself, right? So two websites, remove BMG or JPY or something like that. Y'all gonna see it, and Canva. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen. And this is my first time doing it as well. So definitely like you're not alone. It's better flyers come over time. This is Lofi. It runs 24/7, 365 days. Like when I be up late night, I just come in here and talk to random people. So I'm gonna just play some tunes and let's go ahead and make a flyer, right? But boom, right? So I just made, my man's Marcus. They removed the background immediately. You feel me? Pretty cool. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download it. Finder. All right, remove BG. I bet. So I'm gonna refresh it. All right, cool. So I just removed. It took like less than like almost a minute for both. Now we're here. We're home. You want to go to templates up on the marketing. You can just click on flyer. And just go through it, see what you like. So there's really no certain theme. But I just you can pick. I guess you can make one, but I'm gonna look for something that just kind of attracts me, that will attract other people. Um, I guess this one's not bad. That orange one. This red one. There's a little bit too much red for me. We can't move it now. We're gonna go to Supercell. All right, bet. So I'm gonna just stick it out with this orange one. All right, bet. Right, use this template. All right, cool, cool, cool. All right, so now let's just go ahead and delete everything, and I'm gonna just drag Cleo Marcus and add words. So let me play my Lofi again. What just happened? All right, bet. So, Jordan, you're a female. Um, what's your thoughts? Like, what else should I do? Like at the start of the wave. I don't know if that makes sense. It kind of just popped in my head. What's some of your thoughts? I'm muted. Unmute yourself. Can you talk?
Hey.
I forgot you on the call. What's your female taste on my flyer? Like, should I add some more, or like, it kind of looks bland?
It's great actually for your first one, but I mean definitely
I want to
you want, yeah, you do want to put some more stuff in it. So like with the 28th of October, maybe add the date, the day that it is, the day October 28th falls on, and then
Wait, what you mean? You talking about third Wednesday? Wait, what's tomorrow?
right, so Wednesday, October 28th.
All right, Wednesday.
And then start time, no event, doors open or event starts at 7 p.m. DM for address, but make that wider so that it takes up more space.
almost 500 page document I received. Also have other examples of my. Some of them are really situations that I am having.
Event starts Wednesday, October 28th. I guess I could add they whatchamacallits. It's just
And then add the Instagram names.
yeah. Yo, and one thing I wanted to add for everyone. So like as you see, like Cleo, I can't move her, right? But Marcus, oh, that's a little circle. So basically when you like something, I have a lock and there's an unlock. So like I can't move her or adjust it, but when I unlock it, I can make her bigger, I can make her smaller, whatever. So boom. All right, lock. All right, got him. So, definitely like whenever you like something, just go ahead and lock it in so you can't mess it up going forward. So I'm gonna just add some IGs and that's it. I wish I could make it more subtle, like kind of disappear. What is this? The Money in Minutes effects. Oh, bet found it. What is this? All right. Bet. And it's done. The start of the wave, Money in Minutes. Lavish Claim, Lavish Cleo, The Almighty Kane, Wednesday, October 28th. Event starts at 7 p.m. So that's really it. You know what I'm saying? That's how you're going to pause this. We're going to pause the vibes real quick. All right. Hey, so that right there is how you make a flyer, right? I don't even know how long that took. It ain't take that long. You know, if you sat through this, that's how you do it. And I'm gonna go ahead and say this video. I'm gonna ask permission from Marcus and Cleo. Can I use it for Instagram as soon as it's the check? I mean, not Instagram, YouTube. You know, just copy what I do and you'll be great. So let's get it. Shout out to you, Jordan. She's on a call. Stay working, and that's it.